coffee ones. Take a cup and then on one of the cups make these triangular shaped cuts on the side, triangular shaped cuts at the bottom. Candle on one of them. Insert each of your cut up cups on top of the one with the candle and watch it. If you stare at it, you will see as each of the cups on the top moves. Next, take this little plastic cup and then add a little balloon on top of it. Firstly, start off by cutting the balloon, and after you've sliced it, take any sort of cylindrical object with a coin and then push it around it as such. Now remove it, the coin must still be there. Now after this, wrap it around any glass and then press this inside. Now we will take this juice cup, fill it with water. Now in this side, create a hole using any sort of heated instrument as such and then insert a straw into it. Use a hot glue gun in order to make the straw stay in place as such. Once you're done with it, this is what it should look like. After this, make a small glue mark inside and the top accordingly. Add some water into it and as you squeeze it, you will see the water flow through the sides as such as this creates air and pushes the water out of this glass. Next, we will start off by taking a very minimal amount of oil, add some papers into it and then rub it all together. Now, take a balloon, blow into it and then create static by rubbing it into the hair. Now, put it close to the bits of paper and watch as the bits of paper lift up as such. Next, take a candle, insert it onto a wooden block and then watch as it melts. Now, if you put a plastic cup over it, then as long as there is air, it will continue to burn. However, this is what it looks like. It will tilt if there is no top cup. However, if you do not cover the top, it moves off to the side as there is wind coming from the side. Or rather the top. Now, when you cover the top, however, the candle stays straight. Now, if you insert smoke from the side of it, meaning it automatically gets sucked in. Now, remove the plastic bottle and then add another wooden block right next to it. Add the stick right beside it as such. After you have done this, add the plastic cup onto it once again. Once you do this time you will notice, add a cup at the top of it and then you will watch it turn. Make sure, however, that your cup has a lot of slits in it, as the waves that are coming from underneath will make the cup move only if it has slits. Now you also add smoke from the top and watch how it comes out through the sides of the cup. Next, take an empty box of Skittles as such and then arrange them on a plate and separating the colors and arranging it as such. After you've done so, add some water to it and then watch as the colors spread out and mixes and merges. Next, we will start off by taking the square shape and then add it into some soap water. Now, in order to do this, start off by adding some soap. You may use some detergent or some cloth washing soap and then after this, add some water to it. Now, take any sort of tin or any sort of stencil and then insert it into the soap water formula. When you move it, this is what it will look like. Now, if you touch it, this is what it will look like. You can clearly see yourself make a hole through it as such. Now, you will form a circular shaped hole and it will be movable as well. Thank you for watching.